Hello students, in our previous class we have studied about atmosphere, meaning of atmosphere, composition of atmosphere. In this portion we have studied that the nitrogen is the gas which is present in very high percentage, that is 78, oxygen 21, other gases 0.93% and carbon dioxide 0.03%. After that we have studied about the importance of atmosphere. Today we will study about structure of atmosphere. The atmosphere extends upward to a height of 1600 km and gradually thins out into space. The height of atmosphere is up to 1600 km from the Earth's surface. After the height of 1600 km, it merges with space. As the Earth moves around the Sun, its atmosphere moves along. Along with the movement of Earth, atmosphere also moves. Since the Earth's gravitational pull is the greatest near the surface of the Earth and the atmosphere is densest in the lower layer, and as we go high it becomes thinner and rarefied, finally merging with the outer space. The density of atmosphere is high in the lower layer, whereas it is low in the higher upper layer. The atmosphere has 5 layers which separate the Earth from the extreme and inhospitable climate of space. These 5 layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These layers, they have their own features and they have their own importance. These 5 layers, they work like a blanket which protect our Earth from the harmful rays of the sun and also maintain the climate of the Earth. The first or the lower layer is troposphere. The layer closest to the Earth, the troposphere is a region of rising and falling air up to the height of 13 km at the equator and 8 km at the polar region. A mixture of various gases in different proportion. The troposphere is the layer of air closest to the ground in which all the life forms thrives. All the weather and climatic changes like fog, rainfall, lightning, cloud formation, snow, thunder, storm, etc. also takes place in this layer. The importance of troposphere is all the weather and climatic changes occur in the layer troposphere, and also it also contains important gases which are important for the all form of life. The troposphere is the densest layer of the atmosphere in which 75% of atmospheric mass is concentrated and the air pressure drops with increasing height. The important feature of troposphere is here, with increasing height, temperature starts decreasing, pressure also starts decreasing. The temperature in this layer drops uniformly at the rate of 1.1 degree Celsius for each 165 meter of altitude. For every 165 meter of altitude, there is a decrease of temperature. The rate is 1 degree Celsius, which is also known as the normal lapse rate. It absorbs the maximum amount of heat radiated from the surface of the Earth and keeps the Earth warm at night. Tropos is the boundary between the layer troposphere and stratosphere. In this zone, in this boundary, temperature stops decreasing. Greenhouse gases can be emitted through vehicle, the production and consumption of food, fuels, manufactured goods, materials, wood, roads, building, etc. It is important that we use our resource in a sensible manner so as to save for the future. Development of alternative sources of energy like solar and wind energy and reforestation are the key to reduce carbon footprints. So in this layer, greenhouse gases can be emitted through the vehicle, which are causing damage to our atmosphere. As a result, the carbon dioxide is also increasing. Not only carbon dioxide, the other gases are also increasing. So it is our duty to use our resources in a better way. How we can use? The first thing is by using the alternative sources, by using the renewable sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, and also by doing the reforestation. After cutting off trees, we should plant some plants on the same area. So these are the way we can reduce carbon footprints.